We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up, I'll be pulling to the crib downtown.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So if you're new to my channel, over here we do things like try on hauls, vlogs, and most especially hair reviews. So for today's video, I am back with another synthetic wig review because you guys seem to really have liked my last one. So I'm here to give you another one. Today I'm going to be reviewing Outre Everywear 15 wig. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video.
So this is how the hair came packaged. This is the stock card for the hair. This is the Every15 wig in the color DRFF4 Champagne, and this wig features combs on the inside.
So this is the finished look. All in all, I think this is really cute. So this is Outre or Outre's. I've been hearing people pronounce it as Outre. I kind of don't like the way Outre sounds, so I'm not 100% sure yet. So I'm gonna still call it Outre. So this is Outre Everywear Lace Front Wig in Every15 in the color DRFF4 Champagne. So this is the stock card for it right here. Colors that they have available are 1, 1B, 2, 613 Chocolate Frost, DR2 Hazelnut, DRFF Black Cherry, DRFF Honey Brown, DRFF2 Cinnamon, DRFF4 Champagne, and that's the one that I have. So on the back of it, it says, lace front everywhere is the wear everywhere wig in style that goes with everything. From a day to night, uptown, downtown, or just across town, stay polished with ear-to-ear HD lace for a natural look that will keep you looking impeccable everywhere. So its key features are ear-to-ear HD lace, easy goes with everything style, and heat resistant fibers. This is heat resistant up to 400 degrees, which, you know, great because you saw me flat iron it and hot comb it as well. I always wanted to go blonde. I really have, well, not like blonde, but I always wanted to go blonde, but I've been super scared. I think this was like the perfect time to try it, even though it was an accident. I'm happy that I did pick out this color so that I know this color actually does go well with my skin tone. So I'm just going to tell you the pros and cons that I found for this hair. I'm going to start off with the cons so I can finish off with the pros and end on a high note. A con that I had for this hair was that there was no elastic band on the back of this unit like in the Melted Hairline collection. I believe they have elastic bands in the back of the unit to help, you know, melt the lace down. This one did not have an elastic band, so I did opt to use my Got2b glue just to, you know, make sure it stayed down. It also said that it had baby hairs. Now when I first got the wig, it did look like it had baby hairs, but they were like really, really, really light. And by the time I put the unit on my head, the baby hairs were like non-existent. Not that they fell out or anything like that, but I just couldn't see them anymore. They were just too thin for me to consider them as baby hairs. They looked more like flyaways to me. Another con that I had for this hair is while I was installing it and I was hot combing it, there was a thread that was like out here. There was a thread that was like outside of the unit and I cut it. I don't know if that means like maybe it was just a manufacturing malfunction or if I cut a hole into my unit. I don't think I did. But I don't like the fact that there was like a thread sticking out of the wig, and it wasn't necessarily like noticeable, but while I was hot combing there was like, I knew something was up, like right here. I could feel where it was right here, so I didn't really care for that. The texture of the hair, so now that I flat ironed it, it's silky, but before it just felt very, not rough, but it had a rougher feeling. Like right now it's silky and smooth, but before I flat ironed it, the hair was kind of like gritty. That's how I felt. The hair felt kind of gritty before I flat ironed it. So if you do get this unit, I would suggest flat ironing and hot combing the hair, or even maybe going with it with a blow dry, because I feel like the heat really like sleeks down the fibers so that it gives you that like silky sleek feeling. Unless you like the grittier feeling, then don't do it. But I didn't necessarily like the gritty feeling. If I have silky straight hair, let the hair be silky straight. If it's a yucky texture, then let it be a yucky texture. But it doesn't say that this is a yucky texture. The pros that I have for this hair, that this hair is actually, at first when I first put it on, I did not like the color of the hair. I thought it looked really like ashy and brassy, but when I flat ironed it, I feel like the colors kind of toned down a little. Not toned down, but I feel like they warmed up just a tad bit, which I do like because I feel like it complements my skin tone a lot better that way. Another thing I liked about this hair was that it did fit my head, okay? It wasn't as big as the Martina wig that I reviewed last time, but it was still big enough to cover my full hairline. Sometimes I have to shave off my edges for some of these wigs, and then, you know, it don't bother me because it always grow back. Like my edges are just, you know, thriving. But sometimes I don't want to do that. Like if I wanted to go get box braids, now I don't have no cute little swoopy swoop or no sideburns. Like another thing that is a pro for this wig is the price. So I actually paid for this wig. Yes, I did. I paid for this one and the Martina wig, but I didn't mention how much Martina cost in the video. It was just, I knew it was like under $40 for that wig. But this one here, this wig is only $25.94. It's like the cheapest wig I've ever paid for, and I think the quality is great for the price that I paid. Also, another thing I wanted to know, I'm not sure if I bought this off of the Wig Types website. I'm not sure if they're still doing this sale, or this promotion, but I ordered the wig I think I ordered the wig on Tuesday and it came to me on Wednesday. I ordered the wig on Tuesday and it got to me on Wednesday. It only took 1 day for the wigs to get to me, which I'm very happy about. I'm not sure if they're still doing that right now, but I did want to let you guys know that that was an option. So if they are still doing that, make sure you pick up a couple wigs because you get them the next day. Like, okay guys, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment down below to let me know that you enjoy videos like this so I can keep making them for you guys. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a